Why are more people talking about the mastery of wealth? Hey champs, welcome to the MoneyMind quest. Today we're diving into how to master your wealth, the ultimate financial education path for personal finance success. We'll talk about creating wealth, starting off with how to generate money, growing and protecting it afterwards. Then, we'll close with the most important tip of financial education. So, if you're ready to transform your financial future, hit the subscribe button, join the MoneyMind Quest champs and stick around. Let's roll. Relying on a single source of income is risky. It's putting all your eggs in one basket. That's why it's ideal to have multiple income streams. If one fails, you have others to fall back on. You don't have to overthink it. There's probably a few great ideas you already have. Let's start with some basics. Remember, wealth creation is a journey, and it doesn't mean lots of money, cars, and houses. It is the capacity to create value repeatedly. With that in mind, let's discuss the 4 levels of value creation. Understanding these can help you identify where you are and what steps you need to take next. Level 1 is implementation. This is where most people start. It involves trading your time for money, like a traditional job. It's essential, but limits your income to your available time. Level 2 is unification. Here, you start building systems and teams to do the work. Think about managing people, hiring freelancers, or coordinating a human resource. Level 3 is communication. Wealth creation starts here. At this level, you leverage networks and relationships to grow wealth. This could involve writing, being a speaker, or simply conveying ideas. This is also the stage of marketing ebooks and courses through social media, email lists, or collaborating with others. It's all about spreading the word and scaling up. Level 4 is imagination. This is where innovation happens. From an idea, you create new opportunities to generate income. It could be inventing a new product, developing unique services, or tapping into emerging markets. By understanding and progressing through these 4 levels, you can achieve financial freedom. So, where do you start? Begin with what you know and what you have. If you've acquired a skill, whether it's cooking, graphic design, photography, coding, or even knitting, you can turn that knowledge into income. How? By creating ebooks and online courses. The internet offers incredible opportunities to create digital products like ebooks and online courses. After watching this video, you could check out the links on how to do this in the description below. So create that ebook or course on your mind, then build systems to support and scale your efforts. Network and market your products or services effectively, and always keep innovating. If you want to learn how to create and monetize your own YouTube channel, check out the Tube Mastery and Monetization course in the description below. Please note this is an affiliate link. Imagine this, you write an ebook on your expertise and sell it online. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy to reach a global audience. Or if you prefer teaching, create an online course. Websites like Udemy or Teachable are fantastic for hosting and selling your courses. These digital products can generate passive income, meaning you make money even when you're not actively working. That's the beauty of leveraging your skills. Moving on, let's dive into the important topic of how to grow and protect your wealth. If you've worked hard to build your assets, the last thing you want is to lose them. So let's explore some essential tips on estate planning, creditor protection, and ensuring your assets are properly designated. First up, to grow your money securely, you have to plan long-term, and your investment strategies must consider your risk tolerance. Making money comes with possible risks, so be sure you can survive while you wait for the returns. Some ways to grow your money includes real estate investment, buying properties to rent out or flip for profit, taking advantage of market appreciation and rental income, being aware these come with some risks and expenses as well. Stock market investment is another way. An important tip here is building a diversified portfolio of stocks, which means spreading the risk across several options and holding them for the long term to benefit from market growth. You could also try private equity and venture capital, which is investing in startups and private companies that have high growth potential. The golden rule here is to commit to companies with a sustainable demand for its product and service with an understanding of its sense of value for innovation and excellence. Managing time and productivity impacts growing your wealth. Using tools and techniques to plan and prioritize tasks efficiently helps to close the gaps of wastage. Delegation is crucial to growth. Delegating tasks to others will allow you to focus on high-value activities where you can put your mind to creative and productive imagination, which is the highest level of value creation. This is also important for continuous improvement, regularly assessing and improving personal productivity systems to maximize output. Check out the MoneyMind Quest free video audiobooks to help you with this. It's the first of its kind. Now let's talk about protecting your wealth. A crucial part of that is estate planning. This isn't just for the ultra-wealthy, it's crucial for anyone with assets. A person's estate is the total of their assets minus any liabilities. It consists of everything you own: your car, home, other real estate, checking and savings accounts. Think of it as anything you own in your name. The value of an individual's estate becomes especially important in two situations: if they declare bankruptcy or if they pass away. Estate planning involves preparing tasks to manage an individual's financial affairs in case of their incapacitation or death. The basics include drafting a will to clearly outline how the assets should be distributed. Without a will, the state decides, which can lead to lengthy legal battles and potential family disputes. Creating a will shouldn't be because you are unhealthy or elderly. It is a way to structure assets for effective succession. Today, you could find online apps and software to help you draft a will to skip or reduce heavy legal expenses. Another key part of estate planning is setting up a trust. Trusts can help avoid probate, provide tax benefits, and offer more control over how your assets are distributed. For example, you can set conditions for when and how beneficiaries receive their inheritance. Next, let's talk about creditor protection. Due to uncertainties, you want to ensure your wealth is protected. One way to do this is by holding assets in the name of a spouse or a child, which may shield them from creditors. Additionally, consider using retirement accounts like IRAs and 401k, which often have creditor protection built in. An important way of protecting your assets is getting incorporated. This allows you to limit liabilities. You may further protect corporate assets by moving them into a holding company. Finally, make sure your assets have designated beneficiaries. This includes life insurance policies and payable on death bank accounts. Having named beneficiaries means these assets can be transferred directly to your heirs without going through probate. Protecting your wealth is just as important as building it. By taking steps like proper estate planning, safeguarding your assets from creditors, and ensuring your accounts have designated beneficiaries, you can secure your financial legacy. The first step to building wealth is simple. Get educated. You wouldn't try to build a house without a blueprint, would you? The same goes for your financial future. Financial education is your blueprint to success. So, we're mapping out a financial education path to help you master your money. First, let's talk about time. Time is a powerful ally in finance because of compound interest, which Albert Einstein reportedly called the eighth wonder of the world. It's the interest you earn on your initial investment plus the interest it's already earned. The rule of 72 is a simple way to estimate how long it'll take for an investment to double. Just divide 72 by your annual interest rate. For example, with an 8% interest rate, your investment will double in about 9 years. Next, let's tackle inflation and taxes. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of your money over time, meaning $100 today won't buy as much in the future. It's crucial to invest in assets that outpace inflation. Taxes, on the other hand, can take a big chunk out of your earnings. Understanding different investment options is key. Investments can be taxable, tax-deferred, or tax-advantaged. Taxable investments like stocks and bonds are taxed immediately on gains. Tax-deferred accounts like traditional IRAs let your money grow tax-free until withdrawal. Tax-advantaged accounts such as Roth IRAs and the TFSA offer tax-free withdrawals provided you follow the rules. Managing debt and planning for retirement are crucial. High-interest debt, like credit cards, should be tackled first. Early retirement planning ensures you have enough savings to live comfortably later in life. Think of your financial plan like building a house. At stage 1, the foundation is a protection plan. Here, an insurance policy may solidify your base. Stage 2 is debt planning, where you eliminate high-interest loans. Stage 3 is building an emergency fund. This is a savings buffer for unexpected expenses, like medical bills or car repairs, ideally covering 3 to 6 months of living costs. Stage 4 is investment. Sadly, many people jump to this step without securing the foundation. Remember, investing without a solid foundation can lead to financial instability. That's why it's crucial to follow these steps methodically. Keep learning to master your finances. Be sure to join the MoneyMind Quest champs by simply hitting the subscribe button. We cover everything from basic financial principles to advanced investment strategies. Check out this video and see you on the next one.